Welcome to Planbook. Our goal is to empower teachers to plan more quickly and efficiently. Here are just a few ways that Planbook can work to save you time and energy. Our Classes page allows you to manage your class schedule for the current school year. You can add new classes, make a change to an existing class, or remove a class. Adding classes to your plans is how you create your schedule in Planbook and is how you can begin to enter lessons. Planbook allows you to divide your lessons into sections, which we refer to as lesson layouts. Layouts provide an outline or structure for lessons to simplify both the process of creation and delivery. These can be customized to accommodate your teaching needs by class. Quickly add lessons to your Planbook from your phone, tablet, or desktop. Add attachments such as worksheets and audio or visual resources from your device or Google Drive. Schedule changes during the school day? No problem. Our Lesson Actions menu allows you to extend or bump lessons to quickly update your schedule so your lesson plans are aligned. Our Events page allows you to add no school days and shift lesson plans as needed. You may want to include events for team meetings, student birthdays, or personal appointments. You can add stickers to your special events too. Quickly add standards and strategies to your plans with ease through the drop-down menus available in the lesson editor. Copy-paste is a thing of the past. Set recurring text such as morning meeting or science lab procedures to automatically appear with templates. Co-planning with colleagues? Planbook's sharing features allow for seamless collaboration between team members. Start a 90-day free trial, and all the work you complete during your trial will remain in your account after subscribing. Sign up for Planbook today.